Mr. Canadian G-Force. What is up, everybody? We are in Bradenton, Florida right now at Bradenton Motorplex. I think that's what they call it. I don't even know. We're a little bit lost. As soon as we pass by the booth at the front, they're like, there's the Canadians in the GTO. It's so awesome. I'm so stoked. Whether you want to share them or not, it's entirely up to you. But
oh yeah, I'll definitely.
And the chocolate might be a little melty, but
all dressed.
Actually, I think that's like your barbecue.
How do you pronounce this? I don't speak
all
Canadian. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. There's a bunch of little goodies there. I was like, what can't they get?
Oh, the ketchup chips. I like those.
Yeah.
You got me those last time. I dig that.
The Mr. Big. I think you were like, oh my god.
That's what it was. Yeah. French. I like this. They have these in England too.
Yeah, you were saying you get a lot of them in Australia.
Yep.
Too.
Hell yeah. Spoil me. Thank you.
No guarantees the chips are still going to be in one piece, but
yeah. Oh yeah.
Canadian snacks.
Oh yeah.
The American Kyle.
Still good.
The only Fred.
Not even melted.
The only Fred. It's not melted?
Oh,
that's
perfect.
Surprising. Yeah. So this thing actually has a twin turbo Demon motor in it, which is a little off. Yeah.
That looks strong.
Look at him. You got them all interested now. Oh, yeah.
Welcome to Sunday, the day before the kickoff. The day before the racing. But here's the tech line. Getting it done on Sunday instead of the day of racing. And it's actually like 6:30 in the morning and we're all the way back here. Dedication, baby.
So we're parked like right here for tech. And the tech booth is right there. But the lineup goes from right there and then all the way past these trailers here, all the way down to here, wraps around the track, and then all the way down here somewhere. So the booth is actually like here, and people are, you guys can be there a while.
what is drag and drive? It's what everybody should do with their cars. These things aren't meant to sit in garages and collect dust and make sure you don't hurt them. Drag and drive is where you can get out and you can beat on these things. You get to see everyone. You get to hear them run, and you get to stop at gas stations with them. It's literally a flashback to what they used to do with these cars. So for me, yeah, it's a true test of man and machine, and you have to enjoy the struggle, and especially with how fast cars are now. But yeah, I would say that's what drag and drives are for me.
I mean, that's one way to get your stuff here. Yeah. Sick Week 2022. Hopefully more than one, because we had to do a whole changeover, and then if you only mix one, we got to change it back over already.
good 60 foot, but it was rattling stuff off the dash. And
Oh, were you?
and then
What did it do in the mile an hour?
it's 156, I think.
That's like about what we did in testing. Did you turn it up or down or any? Or?
I turned it down a little bit.
Yeah, so that makes exact sense.
Yeah, but the ET doesn't. Like there was a bog or a miss.
Right around fourth gear?
Yeah, like 3-4 or something.
I think I've seen a bit of box smoke come out. So 146 to the 60, but 6-1 to the 8. And then 9-3 at 156. Which really isn't bad.
No, it's not bad.
Money shot. Nice. Usually I charge for that. These are other Canadians.
When we get up there, you want to tell the guy I want to race Frank
Oh,
behind
yeah,
me?
there you go. That's what I was going to say. Do we have somebody? He's
Perfect.
left lane, I'm right lane.
I'm going to the left.
Oh, yeah. You guys are grudge racing.
Awesome job coming down, and
Thanks,
you are
man.
a freaking Iron Man. MF Chuck Norris. Good luck.
Thank you.
You guys are grudge racing?
Yep.
Nice. Did he make a pass already?
Yeah, he went 940.
Ooh, this is gonna be a good one. Get on that light. The boys are having a grudge match. He went 840, he went 830, both stick shift cars. Nine, oh, nice. Versus the 9-4. 9-0 for Rich. 9-4. Yeah. These passes don't count for sick week. These are just testing tunes, but 9-0 is like right there. I know he's gonna be stoked about that one. How fast did it go first time?
9.7 and 140.
9.7? Yeah.
Hopefully the driver shows up this time.
Yeah. Did you put more to it?
No, I screwed up. I went first to third.
Yeah, gotta do it. Gotta do it.
Yeah, so we'll see.
I'll see you up there. Definitely El Camino's actually super good people, and it's funny because I was chatting with him for like 2 hours the other day, but Jeff is basically deaf, so if you kind of like mumble your mouth, or he's really good at lip reading, so if you like don't enunciate with your mouth, he can't understand what you're saying. So really good people though. That smile though. Huh? Your smile now.
Oh, smile is great.
A little longer wheelbase, really, right?
I seen it up at PRI, and I was blown away. I was like,
The other one, the chassis.
It's too bright.
the man himself, Mr. Swanstrom, or as some people like to call you,
Sandstrom.
Sandstrom.
I don't know, something like that.
It wasn't what your name
It's
is.
not hard to pronounce
Yeah.
it. Just how it's spelled is how you say it. Swanstrom. So
Yeah.
it was good. She made a good hit right there.
Yeah, that was
It was
good.
a little slower than she expected, but I think she has something she can pick off of now.
Yeah.
She can go.
So the man needs no introduction. He does have a YouTube channel. I'll put it right here. Link to be down below. Make sure to go follow him. Subscribe to his channel.
I appreciate you.
Here, we'll get a picture before. I'm sure we'll all be over the place. I think you lost the war there, but you won the battle. Is that what it is?
Oh, I totally won the battle. I mean, I knew I was about 4/10 faster,
Yeah.
so I thought I better give him a little head start.
Yeah. So he beat you to the end, but you.
No, I won. Yeah.
He beat you to the end.
No, time slip. I could show you time
Oh,
slip.
you actually got him?
0.008 of a second. I beat
Oh
him
wow,
by.
really? I thought he got you.
No.
But you went 9-0,
Yeah.
which is like that
That
far
close.
away.
Yeah.
I'll see your time slip.
Yeah. I think I got a picture of it. No, Dad's got it.
Oh, does he?
He seems to be stealing.
Fred, get out of my shot! Your fault, Fred. He's so majestic. Stroke your beard. So we have to put it back in street trim so we can go drive over to Freedom Factory, then back to the hotel, then back to here tomorrow to put it back in race trim.
Oh, we get gifts. This is what I would do if it was mine. Like, oh yeah. Hi.
Drink tickets.
Awesome.
Here's a goodie bag.
Sweet.
And then just go all the way around the track and park behind that blue car. Okay?
Awesome. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby.
It's got some angle to it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
These oval tracks are on trail.
Where did Garrett go? I guess
In the middle, yeah.
Pointing you over there. Oh.
Don't hit the sky though. Are we special or something?
I don't know.
Oh, the old cars. Putting them in the middle here.
Back in beside him.
Oh yeah. And they're lining up all the cars in here. All the sick week cars. But we got the VIP down here in the front.
Huh?
We got the VIP parking down here in the front.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Just a lost Canadian finding some race cars, I guess. Man, I don't know if like burning your eyeballs is a thing that happens in Florida, but it feels like my eyeballs are burnt right now. They're like sore and it's giving me a headache and it's the worst right now. And I feel like I'm tired and cold. I don't like Florida much. I don't think I like Florida that much right now. Anyways, we're probably gonna leave the Freedom Factory here soon. I did so much socializing right now and I'm ready to go to sleep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for officially day one of sick week. Peace.